How to customize folder view settings in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to control how files appear inside your folders and apply your preferred layout across the board. First, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E. From there, navigate to the folder you want to customize. After that, click on View in the toolbar at the top of the window. At this point, you'll see a list of layout options to choose from. Extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles, and content. From here, select whichever layout works best for you. Details is great for seeing file sizes and dates at a glance, while large icons works better for photo folders where you want to see previews. Following this, if you want to sort your files in a specific order, click on Sort from the same View menu and choose to sort by name, date modified, size, or type, depending on what makes the most sense for that folder. After that, if you want to group files together by a certain property, click Group By from the same menu and select your preferred grouping option. From here, once you've set everything up the way you want it, click the three dots in the toolbar and select Options. At this point, click the View tab inside the Folder Options window and click Apply to Folders to apply your current view settings to every folder of the same type across your device. Finally, if you ever want to reset everything back to the default layout, come back to the same View tab and click Reset Folders. That's how you customize folder view settings in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!